Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla for those of you who are new, but you can call me Shay. And today's video, as you guys can see from the title and from me looking super cute right here, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these nice large passion braids, girl. This style was super easy to do, especially if you're a braider, if you know how to braid your own hair. I did do the knotless method, like I said. So, girl, real cute, okay? But anywho, we're gonna jump right into the video. I pretty much showed you guys all the products and everything that I use throughout the video, so you'll get to see that as well. And yeah, let's jump right into this video, guys. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Turn on my post notifications too, girl, in case you want to know whenever I post a video. And stay tuned so you can see how I got this style. Okay, so I used the Freetress braid pre-stretched hair. It came with 3 in a pack. I used 3 packs of this, and then I also used the Freetress braid crochet hair in water wave. And I used Style Factor Edge Booster. Of course, this is my go-to. Okay, girl, so I'm just starting out by parting out my hair, making sure my parts are nice and straight. And I always go in with that edge control on the part to get my part more defined and more straight. Okay, so I'm just putting the edge control all over this section, and then once I'm done that, I'm just going to smooth it out with my comb to get it nice and smooth all over this section. Now we are starting to braid. I separate the section in 3 pieces, and I start off as if I'm doing like a regular braid, and I braid that twice, and then I start to add in the hair, and then I'll repeat this. So I'll braid twice and then add in a piece of hair.
Baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out,
So I want my braids to be nice and thick, so I am adding a generous amount of hair in each time I add it.
Paris, times were cherished, no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls.
Okay, so then I finally go ahead and flip it to the front, and this is when I start to braid a little looser, because you want to be able to pull the braid out some to make it more fluffier and more thick. So I'm still adding hair in, but I am braiding a lot looser than I was when I started. And when I get close to the end, that's when I start adding in the curly hair. And I just add that into my desired length, and I go ahead and braid it all the way down. And then I seal it with a rubber band. And if you have any leftover hair, like of the braiding hair still sticking out, you can wrap that around where the rubber band would go and place another rubber band on top of it. Okay, and now I'm just pulling apart the braid, making it a little fluffy, trying to give it kind of like a butterfly type of effect, so that I can get that nice passion braid look. I don't like mine super messy. I just like them to look thick, so I'm not making them really messy, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm just going to repeat the exact same steps all throughout my head.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You make me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute.
Up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls give in to you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, there's no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair.
All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you.
They got nothing.
All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute.
You know you're cute.
Girl, you know you cute.
You know you're cute.
Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You make me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute.
You're a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls give in to you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, there's no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair.
All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you.
They got nothing.
All the pretty girls, Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen. Don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. It ain't fair that all the girls.
Okay, so I'm just adding my Lottabody Mousse to the top of my hair. Putting that all over. And then I'm going in with my pink glosser spray and spraying that all over my hair and the braids. Okay, girl. So this is the finished look. She is long, honey. I just want y'all to know that she is long. And this hair is everything. Like I love it. I love experimenting. Like, it's just so fun for me. Like, I love it. So, okay, so it took me, I want to say, okay, this style takes about like 2 hours to do if you're doing it yourself. I feel like I spent most of my time trying to get my parts like really straight versus actually braiding the hair. So the only thing, like, I like to have nice parts, and you know, when you part in the back of your own hair, you gotta have the 2 mirror situation going on. And girl, anyways, nonetheless, it was worth the time that it took to just get it really nice. Yeah, and I think I did a really good job. This is my first time doing this particular style, especially any knotless style in my own hair. Yes, and I love it. And yeah, flip her over to this side too, because I think that's cute as well. But yeah. Oop. Yeah, but it turned out really cute. I'm gonna show you guys the back so maybe you can see a little bit how long it is. Give me a second. Okay, yeah, so you guys saw the back. I have a total of 14 braids in my hair. I used, y'all saw the hair that I used, and it came like 3 little bundles, if you will, in a pack, and I bought 3 of those. So in total it was like 9 packs of hair if you were getting like just the single packs. But I recommend getting those because it's a lot easier. You only have to have 3 of those packs. So yeah, and then of the curly hair, I used 4 packs, 3.5. I bought 4, and I had like some left over from the last pack, so 3.5 packs of hair. So I recommend getting 4. And yeah, like, this is how it turned out. It's super cute. Now what you can do if you want yours more messier, I like mine's big and more neat versus, sorry y'all, this is my edge control on there. It like dry white, and I don't like that. But yeah, if you like yours more messier, I just recommend just pulling it out more. I pull mine out to my liking. It's my personal preference. I just like them nice and chunky, but like still neat knotless braids, but curly at the end. That's just how I prefer it. So it's completely up to you if you want to make them a little bit more messy. If you want to add more curly hair like at the top to make it messy, I added mine more so at the end of the braid versus all throughout the braid. So like I said, it's all about personal preference. Go ahead and throw those extra curly pieces in at the top if you want to, or not. You can do it how I did it. Either way, girl, it's gonna come out cute because this style in general is just really bomb. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave me comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video.